everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and as you guys can see by the title, today's video is going to be all about this wig here. So as y'all can see, I have this reddish brown cute curly wig going on, and I did receive this wig from Gorgeous, so make sure you guys check the description box for all the details concerning this wig. I also have a coupon code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies. Y'all know I'm all for saving monies, but aside from that, she is cute. I love her, so I'm definitely going to give you the tea about this wig. So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you the construction of the cap. Then of course I will give you guys some more details about the wig, and then finally I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So if you are interested in hearing all about this cute little wig from Gorgeous, then keep watching. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 combs in the front and it has a comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap and it has an elastic band as well. Now I did show you guys that there was a little lace right here because as y'all can see there is a middle part. So I did cut the lace and I just moved the bangs in a little bit to, you know, make it look more realistic and natural. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into a little bit more details about this wig. So again, this wig is from Gorgeous. I think I am saying it correctly, I'm not too sure, but this is their new Funmi curly bang wig. The length is 10 inches, color is reddish brown, lace is Y-shaped HD lace, and it retails for $159.90. Now if you don't want to pay full price, you can use Afterpay, which will divide your total into 4 payments of $39.98. Now one of the good things about this wig is that it's a throw on and go. As y'all saw, very easy to install, not much to it at all. Okay, very quick. All you got to do is fluff it out with your hands or brush it out a little bit with your brush, and you got you a cute style. Okay, she is really gorgeous. I love this type of wig. I've had one in the past, but this color, I'm loving this color. It is just so pretty. Now, as y'all saw in the clip as well. They did send me some goodies, which I absolutely love all of the time, okay? I love it. So they sent me a little edge brush, they sent me some tweezers, they sent me some bobby pins and a couple more items. So I really do appreciate the company for, you know, adding that in there with the wig. Now, I believe I gave you guys all the information that I needed to, but once again, make sure you guys check the description box below for all the details. Overall, I am loving this wig, okay? I love the color, the length is nice as well. Like I said, I've had a similar wig like this in the past, not necessarily a middle part like this, so I like that idea, but she is really cute. I just took my, you know, my fingers and fluffed her out a little bit. I took the brush a little bit and brushed out the bangs and brought them together, because you can wear it like that, but I mean, it's cute, but for today, you know, I want the full bang action. But yeah, she is real cute, real fluffy. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around one more time. So this is how she looks in the front, the side, the back, and the other side. So yes, I love her, okay? Can't wait to take some pictures. Just looking real cute today. Didn't put any powder in this part. I really don't have to because of the cap that I'm wearing. It's pretty, you know, looks realistic scalp color wise, so I didn't need to put any powder in that little part. But yeah, she is cute. So I do want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it, and of course I hope to work with them again in the future. You guys let me know down below what you think about this wig as far as the color, the length. Is this your type of wig? Let me know all of that down below, because I'm loving her. I cannot keep my hands out of it, okay? I cannot. Anywho, as promised, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you some monies, okay? I will leave it in the pinned comment down below. Of course, it will be in the description box as well, but as usual, I will put it right here on the screen for you guys. So the code that you guys can use at checkout is my name, Lindsay, okay? Capital L, lowercase I-N-D-S-A-Y, and you will get 17% off of your purchase. So make sure you guys put that code into the promo code / discount code area at checkout. But that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.